Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an updated brow routine. I use the Got2Be gel. It's for your hair, but I use it on the brows. And I just use my finger and push it through the hairs and try and push them up. And then I do it one more time to get all the excess gel. Max. And then you want to make sure that the gel is not all the way dry, but it's not too wet either. And I use Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. And you can get really skinny lines with this one if you turn it to the side. And you can try and shape the hairs with the pencil a little bit, but mostly you're just filling in. And then I go in with a spoolie and try and blend it out. You can also work in sections since the gel dries fast. Like here it's already kind of dry and it's hard for me to blend out. But if you work in sections, just fill in the front of the brow and then blend, and then work in the middle and like that. So, some of my goals this year is to stay consistent on YouTube and try and upload 2 videos a week. So far I'm only doing 1 a week, but I hope to get better organized so I can do 2. And Valentine's Day looks are coming up. I thought I would just do a brow tutorial since I haven't done an updated one in a while. And the last one I did, I don't know, like my camera was not working very well, it was out of focus. So, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Okay, so here I've already put concealer down, and what happens sometimes is if you don't clean up the gel good enough, the concealer will not blend out because it gets stuck on that gel, and it's you know, it's like stuck on there. So yeah, there's where I had my eyebrow tattoo. But yeah, you just clean it up again really good with some makeup remover, and make sure to get very, very close to the brow line. You can even take off some of the product, and you know, it's okay if it doesn't look as full as you would like, because you're going to put concealer, and then once the concealer goes on smooth, you can add more brow strokes in between if there's space left. Make sure and clean really, really good. Get up in there and get all that gel off, or else the concealer's not going to blend out. It's going to look funky. It's going to look funky, okay? There, now the concealer is going on a little bit more smoothly. I cover up my tattoo so that it gonna look weird. And then I just blend out with my finger. You can take a little beauty blender too, and you can blend out with that. Doesn't matter. I think it's easier with your finger because you can feel if it's still sticky, and if you need to clean off more, then you need to clean off again and then trimp with concealer again. Do you see the difference in how the concealer was the last time? Looks a little more natural here. And now I'm adding more brow strokes because I accidentally wiped some of it off. So once you make the line with the concealer, just go back, add whatever you need to, and then make sure to blend one more time. Then I just add some eye primer, and I'm good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you. Bye.